Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Go on before I change my mind. Alright, fine, don't bother then. I've got a 3-second rule now, Alex. If they don't go within 3 seconds, I'm not going to let them go.
I think you should make it 2.
2 seconds. Alright, fine. So that's why there are so many bad drivers in the world today, because even the driving instructors don't follow their own highway code. Wow, there you go.
They're not meant to flicker like that, are they?
No, the front ones are broken.
How do you know the front ones are broken?
Because the back one's flashing fast like that. If the front one's flashing fast, the back one's broken. Yeah?
Right.
It's magical.
It is very magical, isn't it?
Yeah. Why, oh why, do people get in their car, start driving, and at what point do they realise that their mirrors are folded in? At what point in your driving journey do you realise, oh hang on, I can't fucking see behind me? Especially on that car, because I know there's a button to unfold your mirrors, so there's no reason why you should be driving like that. It's not like you got to wind down your window, open the window, get out into the freezing cold English weather, and then push your window out, or push your mirror out. You just press the button. Yeah, confirmed. Special.